Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and environment, log into your RRB Technician application, and go straight to the photograph section. Once there, grant camera permission when prompted. This is the only way the portal accepts a live capture. Position yourself about an arm's length from the camera and center your head in the preview. Make sure the background is plain and evenly lit, and remove hats, large glasses, or masks so the live capture can validate facial features properly. Once positioned, follow the portal's overlay guide to align eyes, chin, and shoulders. This ensures biometric rules are met. Make small adjustments to lighting or camera height so your face fills the indicated area without clipping hair or chin. Take several captures to compare sharpness and exposure, because the system often rejects blurred or shadowed images. After taking the photo, use the portal's crop and rotate tools to match size requirements before you accept the shot for submission. Finish by reviewing the live photo preview closely. Check face visibility, resolution, and background uniformity, then confirm to attach it to your application. Once submitted, download or screenshot the confirmation page and note any reference ID. If the portal rejects your live photo, first recheck camera permissions and refresh the page. If that fails, update or switch browsers, restart the device, or use another computer with a working webcam. These steps resolve most capture and upload problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.